Yo, let's be real. As men, we pay no attention to our hair, but yo, lately the curls have been popping. You wanna know why? Because I've been treating my hair right. I've been letting it breathe naturally, and the truth is, more men need to start taking care of their hair and understanding their own hair type, understanding how to take care of it properly, and also understanding what is it that you're doing that's actually damaging your hair. Here's the truth. All of you dudes have great looking hair, and when you start treating it right, your attractiveness is gonna go out the roof. Today, I'm gonna show you the 5 most common things dudes do to their hair without even realizing it that's damaging it. Let's hop into it. Number 1, wet styling your hair. Look, I know this seems logical, like it's what you should be doing next. You step out the shower, you dry your hair, you run a comb through your hair, you put some styling cream, and then you're out the door. It just seems like the most efficient thing to do. However, that process alone is damaging your hair. What you need to understand is that when your hair is wet, this is when it's at its most fragile state. Running a comb through it and tugging and pulling your hair quite literally is tearing your hair either from its roots or causing split ends. So what I recommend to do is either blow dry it with the hair dryer to remove a lot of that moisture and then brush, or let it air dry for a little bit and then brush your hair to avoid it being soaking wet and you damaging your hair. Number 2, you're adding too much product. See, when it comes to your hair, less is more, and this applies to shampoo, to conditioner, and more importantly, to hair product. See, most guys train of thought, logically they think, oh, I'll just add more hair product so my hairstyle holds longer and it looks better. The reality is that the more product you add, the more your hair is gonna be weighed down. You're also gonna prevent moisture from reaching your hair shaft, and in turn, you're gonna end up with a hair scalp that's dirty and greasy. So my recommendation is always to use a styling product very sparingly, so just a little bit, and then if you're noticing that it's not holding your hair like you want it to, this could just be a sign that you need a product with a higher hold level and not necessarily that you need more product. Number 3, you're not checking it. Literally, that simple. You're not checking your hair. See, you probably don't know this, but 2 in 3 men, they're gonna experience some form of hair loss by the time they're 35, which means all of us watching this right now, 2 out of 3 of us watching, we're gonna experience hair loss. If you're consistently looking and checking out your hair and you catch it early, the earlier you catch hair loss, the more you get to keep. This is just straight facts, and you can search it up yourself. This is why our sponsor keeps it so great, and I recommend it to every dude. My dad, my uncle, my brother, anybody that I know might be experiencing some sort of hair loss, yo, Keeps. This is what I recommend you to do as well. Don't only help yourself out, help those around you, see, because Keeps makes it easy, boys. Before, you had to go to the doctor, get a consultation, yada, yada. It was a pain. Now, you can actually take care of your hair from home. If you're in the shower, you notice a little bit of hair loss, you can go straight to Keeps.com, and then a licensed doctor, a U.S. physician, is going to review your account and recommend or prescribe medication over the computer for what you need, and then it gets delivered to your door every 3 months. No need to go to the pharmacy, no need to schedule an appointment with a doctor, no need to go to the doctor's office. Everything is done from the comfort of your home. Now, here's the cool thing. You have 24/7 access to your doctor. You can talk to him whenever you want about your personal case, how it's going, what you're seeing, what are the side effects, etc. You can talk directly to your doctor, again, from your computer, making it super easy. And the best part, it's affordable. Like, there is no excuse. Not only is it convenient, it's affordable. Keeps offers a generic version of the only 2 FDA-approved medications to treat hair loss and stop it in its tracks, and in some cases even regrow some of that lost hair. If you're ready to take action right now, I want you to go to keeps.com/TMF, click that link in the description. You're gonna receive a special offer so you can receive Keeps treatment at a more affordable price. That is keeps.com/TMF. Which takes us on to number 4, infrequent haircuts. Yo, I have my barber come to my office every 2 weeks like clockwork. And not only because I like a fresh fade, which by the way, I think he should be coming end of week. This thing's starting to grow out, but also because I understand that this is the only way to stop or remove damaged hair. See, once your hair is damaged, it's gone forever. It's never gonna be repaired, which is why I'm making this video. Once you ruined it, it's gone. The only way to get rid of it is to clip those ends and allow that new hair to come in a more healthy state. So keeping those frequent haircuts is not only gonna make you look good, it's also healthy for your hair. See, if you don't cut your hair frequently, those split ends, those damaged strands, yeah, they're gonna start splitting all the way to the root, until that whole strand is ruined. So clipping it early is better for your hair. Finally, number 5, your baseball cap. See, baseball caps, yeah, they look pretty damn stylish. They're also good for bad hair days or when you're in a rush, but they could be damaging your hair. Now, the problem only really occurs when you wear a hat that's too tight for you. See, there's this condition called distraction alopecia. This is a condition where the hair is literally pulled out from the scalp by its root from all the constant tension and pulling that occurs when you're wearing a very tight hat on your head. So you could wear a hat, do it sporadically, that way your hair stays more healthy. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. Those are 5 ways most dudes damage their hair without realizing it. If you guys liked this video and found it informative, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, boys, don't forget to check out our sponsor, Keeps. They're going to be linked down below as well. That's it for me today. See you next time.